The best coffee maker ensures you can enjoy barista-level hot drinks in the comfort of your home. Whether you prefer a short, intense espresso or longer creamy, milk-based coffees, save time and money by using one of the best coffee makers to get your caffeine fix. There's a wide array of different types of coffee makers you can buy right now, each offering varying levels of control over brewing your cup of joe. Welcome to the video of What a Top 10. In this video, I will present Top 5 Coffee Makers. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 49976 Coffee Maker. Brew up to 12 cups with ground coffee on the carafe side or use a dual-purpose single serving to brew a pod or ground coffee on the other. The included pod holder and single-serve grounds basket easily handle both options. This programmable coffee maker has easy-touch programming or wake-up-ready coffee. After brewing, coffee stays warm for 2 hours and the power automatically shuts off. Auto pause and pour lets you pour a cup as coffee brews. Number 4. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. Allows you to brew 6+ cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. The water reservoir is removable, making it easy to refill whenever you need to. An important part of cleaning your Keurig brewer. This process helps to remove calcium deposits, or scales, that can build up inside a coffee maker over time. Number 3. Mr. Coffee Cup Coffee Maker. On/off indicator light lets you know when your coffee maker is on or off. Grab a cup auto pause stop cycle if you need a cup before brewing is finished. Dual water window allows visibility as you fill, no more overflows. Lift and clean filter basket for fast and easy cleanup. Easy cord storage eliminates counter clutter. Number 2. Cuisinart DCC 3200P1 Perfect 10 Coffee Maker. Hotter coffee with expert coffee making technology to ensure hotter coffee temperature without sacrificing flavor or quality. Brew strength control allows you to select regular or bold coffee flavors. Fully automatic with 24-hour programmability, self-clean, 1 to 4 cup setting, auto off, 0 to 4 hours, and optional ready alert tone. 14-cup glass carafe with decorative stainless steel handle. Number 1. Keurig K Mini Coffee Maker. The K Mini allows you to brew the cup sizes from 6 to 12 ounces with Keurig K Cup pods. The Keurig K Mini has very cord storage that would be very easy to transport and tidy countertops. It's a very sleek design to put more glamour into your kitchen appliances. Less than 5 inches wide, perfect for small spaces. A removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.0 inches tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup.